XXA Wafetu, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to you Wafetu. As you can see, another fresh Cressida. I know I've been crowding you guys with like classic cars because I'm sure you already saw the Cressida, the blue one, and then you saw the Skyline, and now this one. So I'm probably flooding my feed with like a lot of classic cars. But anyways, let me show you around this car, and then you'll get to see a clean Cressida, guys. Low kilos, like trust me, clean. As you can see, guys, uri Toyota Cressida. Seat covers, I'll get more into that later. Braziko,
Yebo.
what's going on?
Good. How's it right now?
And the Cressida is fresh to the
Cape Town, right?
Cape Town. The car just landed with it. Check out tape playing, guys. I'm sure I'll kill Antalemo. I didn't.
Linama 2000, CD shuttle.
CD shuttle.
You put the CDs inside. You don't know this stuff?
I don't know. CD. Like it's a USB.
Yeah, man.
USB, normal CD, normal CD, USB.
Chayada.
Cassette very cool, too much. No?
Yeah.
You guys.
Hey, but this car's still clean, yo. But anyways, let me start the video and then you'll get to see lovely Cressida. Danko. Firstly, let's start with the exterior. As you can see, this is a very good looking car. Like, look at it. This is a very good looking car. Back in the early 90s, well, actually 1993, Toyota felt like they actually cooked when it came to the aerodynamics of this car. I quote the article I read because I actually did some research. Styling comes alive in the aerodynamic Cressida. That's what Toyota actually wrote. So back then, most cars were bricks. The slanted hood of this car was actually their way of saying it's aerodynamics. Yo, I can't speak, bro. But anyways, this is why I don't like voiceover. But the slanted hood of this car was Toyota's way of saying it's actually aerodynamics if you think of it. But it actually just lowers the drag coefficient, with the windshield wipers being dropped below the hood line. Even the outside rearview mirrors are designed into aerodynamically efficient covers. I won't lie, Toyota was onto something here. I'm not gonna lie, like I give them their trophy. Like Yawafa 6 year, but now let's get into the interior. First of all, you have a wide field of vision in this car. Like once you get into this car, the windows are big and there's like a lot of light coming into this car. And once you open the windows, like there's a lot of air, bruh. Like, bruh, Cressida, Joe. But anyway, this is why when it comes to this cars, like I wouldn't tint the windows on a Cressida. Like, Joe, clear window all day, every day, all year, all my life. Like if I buy a Cressida, I would never tint the windows. But Joe, like why would you tint the windows of a Cressida? But anyway, check the steering wheel. The steering wheel is also like a unique piece. It's a 2-spoke steering wheel. So yeah, when you're in control of this car, you feel like you're in full command. Like Joe, steering release. But anyway, this car also has power steering. Like I know, yeah, most of cars had power steering back then, but when it came to the GLi-6, only the GLi-6 came with the power steering, and it was optional for the deluxe models. So the GLi-6 also came with a few special things. Like it came with like power assisted features such as power windows and outside rear view mirrors, which can be controlled by the driver via the control panel. Like yeah, this panel here. Believe me when I say this car was actually like ahead of its time back then. Like bro, it has like a lot of features that my personal car doesn't have. Maybe because entry what, but anyway. So they even came with cruise control, but back then it was called like auto drive. Like yeah, Grootman actually explained to me how it worked, and I forgot. All I remember, he told me something or kotla something, and then we are overdrive so the engine doesn't sing too much. Like Ejo, Grootman, my apologies, man. I forgot, man. And I actually looked for a video and something to explain to me, but hey, I gotta say lo money. But anyway, check interior, check the seat. Very luxurious. Like back then, this was luxury at its finest on Twitter. Like Joe, pana dashboard, Joe, Cressida dashboards are the best. Like come fight me, like Joe, come fight me. I'm sorry, Cressida dashboards are the best. So now we're off to the engine. As you know, me, I'm a performance guy, but I'm into modified cars. Like this was the foundation of my channel, modified cars. I'm only doing this classic cars because I have a passion for cars. Like, bro, I like all cars, whether it's classic, blah blah blah. Bro, so classic cars is just my way of like getting to know a bit of this cars. Like, I actually do my research as I'm experiencing the cars, but I prefer to just experience the car. But let me tell you about the engine. So it's a 1G. It's a 2-liter 6-cylinder engine. It produces 72 kilowatts and 162 Newton meters. Guys, believe me when I say a 2-liter Golf makes more than that. But hey, But anyway, the 1G is mated to a 4-speed automatic gearbox, which is my favorite. I actually prefer a Cressida ka auto. I get people like saying, hey, manual is for real drivers, but now if I buy a Cressida, I want an automatic Cressida, because I just have so much love for auto Cressidas. I don't know, I'm just, I just have a love for auto boxes, like auto Cressidas. But anyway, a slight backstory on this car. Now, apparently the owners, they bought the car, whatever the case, enjoyed the car, because this car only has 33,000 kilometers on the clock. This car has never been opened. It has its full history, service history at Toyota, etc, etc. Like this car, it's in prestige let's go, guys. I know how to speak English, man. Prestige condition, blah blah blah. So this car's in good condition, like immaculate condition. Everything on this car is as it came in 1984, guys. As it came. So yeah, they bought the car recently. I don't know when. Like, I know when is the date. It's just that I don't remember exactly when. But this car still has its original tires from 1984 and all that. Prestige condition, this car, guys. And yeah, that has it for the video. Oh, I also want to add this, guys. So when it comes to my classic car reviews, I'm going to explain a few things, but not everything. Most of the times I just want to enjoy these cars, because these classic cars, it's not like a new car. I don't have to tell you the fuel consumption and etc. But you're not going to go to a dealership and buy this car. Like, you might find one. Let me not lie to you. You can find one, but it's not every day you're going to walk into a dealership and find an original Cressida like this and buy it. So people that are in the market for these cars, like looking for these cars, are people that have love for this car. You don't want to buy this car because you want to know the boot size or you want to know the fuel consumption. You buy this car because it's a piece of history, because you love it. Because you get people that have love for these cars. Because that's my honest opinion. I'm not going to buy a Cressida because I want to know how many things I can fit in the boot. Like, what does boot space have to do with a classic car? If it's a newer car review, new car review, I have to tell you everything, because it's a car you can go buy at the market now. But a Cressida, you're just gonna walk around the corner and find one. Come on, guys. But anyway, that does it for the video. Sorry for crashing out. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully I can get a few more classic cars and share my experience. And there you have it, Buffet. And if you reached this far of the video, thank you very much for watching the video. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment. Comment down below which is your favorite Cressida. Do you like this one, or do you like the more boxier one? You know the one that I like, my favorite one. But yeah, guys, peace.